Hello everyone, welcome back to Arun Commerce and Management Academy. Today's video is for intermediate first year and the subject is economics. In the previous videos we have discussed important long questions and very short questions. If you have not watched, go through the link given in the description. Today we'll discuss short questions. In this section, total 12 questions will be there and you need to write any 8 questions. Each question carries 5 marks, that is 8 into 5 40 marks. Here in this section, you need to write the answer within 20 lines. So don't waste time by elaborating the answers. Here in Inter First Year Economics, total 10 units are there and from all the units you will get short questions. Now we will see the important short questions unit wise. So unit 1, that is Introduction to Economics. So these are the important questions like explain the scarcity definition of economics, distinguish between microeconomics and macroeconomics, what is utility, what are its types, then analyze the characteristics of wants. Then unit 2, that is theories of consumer behavior. So these are the questions like what is an indifference curve, what are its assumptions, then explain the concept of indifference curve, discuss its properties. Then next, explain law of equimarginal utility and point out its assumptions. From unit 3, that is demand analysis. So these are the important questions like what are the factors that determine the demand, explain the exceptions to the law of demand, illustrate the reasons for negative sloping demand curve. Then from unit 4, that is production analysis. So these are the important questions like what are the internal economics of scale, what is supply, explain the determinants of supply, explain the relationship between average cost and marginal cost. From unit 5, that is market analysis, these are the important questions like write a note on the classification of markets based on time and area, then what is monopoly, what are its characteristics, then compare perfect competition and monopoly. And then from unit 6, that is theories of distribution. So these are the important questions like what are the determining factors of real wages, and point out the assumptions and limitations of marginal productivity theory. In unit 7, national income analysis. So here these are the important questions like what are the factors that determine national income, what is national income at market prices and national income at factor cost. Then from unit 8, that is theories of employment and public finance. So these are the important questions like supply creates its own demand, explain the statement of JB Say. Then question number 2, what are the sources of public revenue, then list out various items of public expenditure, then point out the redemption methods of public debt, then what are the characteristics of federal finance, then write a note on finance commission and its functions. Then from unit 9, that is money, banking and inflation. So these are the important questions like what is barter system, what are its difficulties, then explain the primary and secondary functions of money, then explain different kinds of deposits accepted by the commercial banks, then explain different types of loans and advances paid by the commercial banks. Next, state any three major functions of a central bank. Define inflation and explain its types. Then from last unit 10, that is basic statistics for economics. So these are the important questions like what is statistics, explain its relationship with economics, then what are the characteristics of a good average. So these are the important questions from all the 10 units. Present your answers neatly and highlight the headings and write the question numbers correctly. Write the answers within 20 lines means not more than 20 lines. Okay. For very short and long important questions, I have given the link in the description. I hope so this content will be helpful for your economics exam preparation. Thank you.